Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn about gluten. Gluten is a type of protein found in grains such as wheat, barley, and rye that is responsible for giving foods elasticity and providing a chewy texture. What is gluten intolerance? Gluten intolerance is different than celiac disease, which is the disorder that's diagnosed when someone has a true allergy to gluten. This means that it's possible to have a gluten intolerance symptoms without having celiac disease. Gluten intolerance symptoms can include digestive symptoms, including abdominal pain, cramping, bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Brain fog, difficulty concentrating and trouble remembering information. Frequent headaches. Mood-related changes, including anxiety and increased depression symptoms. Ongoing low energy levels and chronic fatigue syndrome. Muscle and joint pains. Foods to avoid. In addition to avoiding the more obvious grain culprits like wheat, rye, and barley, there are also some unexpected places gluten can be hiding, so check your labels. For example, canned soups, beer and malt beverages, flavored chips and crackers, salad dressings, soup mixes, store-bought sauces, soy sauce, deli processed meat, ground spices. Best gluten-free foods. There are some naturally gluten-free foods that are nutrient-rich and can help you consume a well-rounded diet while avoiding gluten. For example, quinoa, buckwheat, brown rice, amaranth, sorghum, teff, gluten-free oats, millet, nuts and seeds, fruits, vegetables, legumes, organic meats and poultry, wild-caught seafood, and fermented dairy products like kefir. For more information about the Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement, please visit www.flavorsforlife.org.